Freedom is a choice. It's a feeling that can only be experienced when you get in your flow, inside out. I'm Sidharth. My journey online started with a lot of struggle, a lot of stress, and I realized that the main reason I was failing online for many years was because I did not have clarity in my business model. I did not have conviction in what I was promoting. I was looking at all the external solutions without realizing that the real answer to results was all about tapping into my true power as an individual from within. And that's when I started to do things differently. I got into this journey of relearning, re-education by dropping the ego. I surrendered to mentors who had built super successful businesses built on strong values. Values like integrity, spirituality, family, humility, and service to humanity. And when I started to integrate all these invisible values from my core into my online marketing, things started to change drastically. My vibe was attracting my tribe. My sales started to grow exponentially. My bank account started to swell. I started to travel the world and meet many amazing achievers, and more importantly, I started to impact more people online by leveraging systems. My students started to get better results. I was seeing the ripple effect of my students impacting others, and that's the freedom business model. The freedom business model is the best way to build a super profitable business online without any office or employees, by tapping into your power from within, by constantly sharpening your skills and leveraging the power of automation. When you combine these ingredients, you can truly live a life that's worth living, a lifestyle of freedom, a lifestyle of abundance, and a lifestyle where you are able to inspire and impact thousands of lives around the world through the internet. I am on a mission to help 1 million people live the internet lifestyle by encashing their knowledge and skills, by growing and nurturing digital tribes, and being a digital leader. I believe you can do this. I know that the world is waiting for you. This is the best time in the history of the world to impact people with your God-given talents. And once you begin on this journey, there's no turning back. And you will feel it, just like I did. You will do this for the rest of your life, because I stand for freedom. I stand for growth. I promote the golden age, and I need your help to make the world a better place. We have a lot of work to do, and the world needs you.